Set plastic safety. Okay, press the reset button. Okay, then hold the two blue buttons. Hold them in.
Yeah.
Let's push it in together. Okay, then when you lift the safety feature, then you'd be able to take the strap out.